Hi, Hill Folk Nation fans. We're gonna get a good look inside this truck. 2020 Chevy Silverado. Don't mind the mess. It's a little dirty, but power folding mirrors. They both fold right in. Push the button again, they fold right back out. That's pretty neat. 2020. We now have, let's see here, 708 miles on it. Start it up, see what it sounds like. It actually sounds really good for being stock exhaust. But there is a ton of room in this. Seat 6. Here's your factory trailer brake controller, AC, everything. Your power tailgate, stereo system. Got storage up top, backup camera. The back seat is huge in this truck. I got the new WeatherTech floor mats in here. You gotta have them. Got the WeatherTech in the back as well. This. Look at all the leg room back here. My seat is all the way back. Both seats are all the way back. This is crazy. These fold flat up to give you an unbelievable amount of room. You got vents back here. Lots of storage under the seat. There's your power tailgate. Nice and shiny in here. I'm going to spray in liner here soon. Got lights over here. Lights over here. Outlets down there. After it idled down, it actually sounds pretty good. Bolt rear end. Got your spare underneath. All nice and shiny. They actually have a heat shield on the tire now for the exhaust. Lots and lots of room. Let's take a look under this hood. My favorite part. The black emblem. Nice and quiet up front. Take a look under the hood. Nice and clean. This is the new 6.6 liter LS 401. Little dusty. 708 miles on it. All brand new. 6.6 liter. Got a spare spot for the second battery over there. Once I get my other trailer, my big trailer, that's probably what I'm going to do. Probably going to clean under here soon, but all the lights are pretty easy to get to when you change them. They're all pretty easy. This front end is huge on this truck. Front end is huge. But don't forget, once again, like, share, and subscribe. Hillfolknation at youtube.com. Have a great day, guys.